Hello everybody and welcome to part 3 of the Montego series. So in this one we're going to strip out this engine bay ready for painting. Ready for, well, preparation and painting, because I've decided, yeah, it's definitely going to get painted. I think it looks worse than it is at the moment, but yeah, we'll get the brakes out, we'll take the brake pipes off, I'll decide whether I'm going to change them or not. I probably will end up changing them like I done on the Maestro. Obviously ECU and anything else that I can find. We'll probably get the down pipe out the road as well, steering rack. Well, yeah, I mean, I guess it's going to look like a full strip down and it's going to end up like the Maestro, which isn't great. Anyway, it'll look mint though. So we'll start by draining, well not draining, we'll start by removing some fluid out of this reservoir. Great, right, we'll get that unbolted inside the car. Right, so moving into the footwell, we've got a wee pin that comes out there that holds, well, there's a wee clip on the end, and then that just pops. Trying to do this with one hand while filming is never easy. So that's that releases the brake pedal from the end of the servo unit now, and there should be a couple of nuts there. You might be able to just see that there, and another one there. So I'll definitely have to put the camera down for that one, so I'll cut back in a minute. There we go. And we've still got the gasket, although that is knackered. That's good, so that's the first big thing out. Servo unit and brake cylinder. Right, so next part, get this coil off, get these two hoses off, water bottle out, loosen all these brake pipe unions, ECU, and then see what's left after that. Right, let's get these wheel arch liners off. At least try and get them off. Plenty of debris behind there. Even got a wee bolt. Just rolled away off of something. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. Got a proper look at that when we whip the wing off. Not so much crap in this one. Looks a wee bit tidier under this side actually, but we'll see once we get dug in. Right, next job, getting the front bumper off. So a couple of attachments, one there, one under the other wheel arch, and there should be 4 under the bonnet. At least there is on the Maestro, so. Here we go, one round bumper. Next job, headlights out. So it looks like a couple of wee nuts down there. There we go, some nice big blobs of filler in there. Wouldn't be a Montego without some bodged bodywork with it. Oh, that's disappointing. No filler in this one. Right, so that's that done. Right, we're going to get this subframe drop next.